Urinary obstruction represents a prevalent medical concern, particularly among male cats. This condition, characterized by either a partial or total blockage of the urinary tract, goes beyond mere discomfort to pose a significant health risk that necessitates prompt intervention. The etiology of urinary obstruction in male felines is multifaceted, with potential causes ranging from the development of crystals or calculi within the bladder to the narrowing of the urinary passage as well as concurrent urinary tract infections. Proactive and regular veterinary examinations coupled with vigilant observation of urinary behaviors are crucial in the timely detection and management of this condition. As a result, these practices significantly contribute to the sustained health and welfare of our feline friends. Our reputable online store offers a selection of catheters designed to support the treatment of urinary tract issues in cats.